Hello, Marco. So you've asked me what exactly is a confident line, and I've realized I haven't quite taught you well enough everything that you need to know in order to start drawing properly, in my opinion. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but my mother is doing homework with my brother. Just if if it happens for you to hear something, it's that. Just letting you know. So confident versus not confident. What you've been doing is a not very confident line where you draw the line very, very slowly. Now, you see that this line is kind of wobbly, right? It's got like a curve here, it's a curve here. You cannot really help this because, your muscles twitch. It's just how how humans work. So, in a way to hack this is to draw them very fast. I can't with that. I have to hold the phone. So now it still has like this curve. However, it looks a lot better than this one. And I kind of hear you asking, but Shiki, if I want to draw a line between point A and point B, won't like doing it really fast kind of sometimes go over the point a little bit? Yes, but that's why we use pencils and because we've got erasers. I saw that you used a pen. It's good, but it's much better to use a pencil. So, with that in mind, I want to show you the shapes that really matter. So I saw that you made some inverted Tesla kind of shape things. They're nice, they're good, but they don't really, you cannot really find them too much like in nature and to break stuff down into shapes because that's kind of like what drawing is. Ignore the last part. I'm just going to show you the shapes to focus on and exercises that you should be doing to progress, and then I'm going to explain to you further so that you're not confused. So first of all, squares. I'm sorry, I'm holding the phone. I kind of bad at drawing while holding the phone. So, squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles, and lines. I forgot to add this. So, straight lines, curved lines, all there is to that. So, draw the way that you have been taught to like hold your pencil is to draw really, really small details, which is writing. You've got to like keep the point very steady, very like you have to move it really precisely. However, drawing, you'll be doing drawing on very big pieces of paper, and you can already like do this everywhere. You need to draw big lines, and since again doing it like very slowly and oh yeah, well, let me get my words together. So the correct way to be holding the pen, not necessarily the correct way, but the much preferable way is to not hold it as you kind of like do normally, and to kind of like hold it from further back. This will help you to like you know, draw confident lines much more easily because, you know, the arch is much bigger on your hand, like, than if you were to hold it from closer to the tip. With that being said, I would highly recommend to you that you draw those shapes as big as you possibly can on those pages. Why? Because, you know, you can write, you know, I'm sure you can write. You can write very, you won't have any problems, I'm sure, drawing small like shapes, but drawing them bigger, you know, that's when the lines start wobbling and stuff stop looking so good. So, how do you, what do you do in this case? What I'd recommend to you is to, you know, like, choose a shape, and in order to make the most out of the paper in your notebook, is to kind of like, this is like the page. So this is the page. You pick a shape and then you go like this. And then you draw another inside of it. I'm very sorry, I suck at this. I swear I'm good. Hold on, let me prove it. Whip out my sketches. So you don't have to actually like draw the triangles and stuff the way I do. You can like draw them like this, like them. I kind of like this. Good idea. Kind of like this. Yes. And then, you know, on the sides you can like, da.